Hello techies. Alright, so we are in lab 5.11.9 and we're going to harden a switch. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch in the networking closet. So the following table lists the used and unused port. So after that, in this lab, we're going to shut down the unused port and then configure the following security settings for the used port. The interface status is provided and the other details. So let's start lab. Now, in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. Right, so the lab is open, so let us start up right away. So we'll go to configure port settings and select 2 and scroll down, click edit, then we select down, let's apply, copy settings, and let's see, so we start up. It's going to be 7 9 2 0 2 5 2 8 2 7 then 2 8. Okay, so click apply. So click save and let's go to port security, and I'm going to check 1, scroll down, click on edit. Now select lock, click on apply, close, and copy settings to, let's see, so we'll start up again. It's going to be this is going to be 3 to 6 and 8 and 21 to 24, comma 24, comma then 26. So remember to separate them by commas. Separate them with a comma. Then we're going to apply, and so let's go ahead and score lab. Now, in case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below your question if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.